How to change resolution on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change resolution on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find this one, display and brightness, and here you will find this one, screen resolution. Click on it, and as you see here you can here you can change resolution on Android phone. You can make it low to save your battery power, and that's it. And that's how to change resolution on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.